like it?
I like it.
Do you like it? Like it?
I like it.
Do you feel